Hey guys, today let's try to add a WhatsApp link to your Facebook profile. So all we need to do in order for us to accomplish this is to actually go ahead first and log on to our WhatsApp application through the web version. And what you could also do is to basically create a WhatsApp link or a WhatsApp QR code. And we could actually proceed with doing that with tapping on our settings over here, tapping on QR code on right next to our profile, and then sharing this. Now from there, what I want you guys to do is to share this as a text. So how do you basically do that? You can actually extract the text using Cam Scanner. So you can actually proceed with extracting the text using Cam Scanner. And Cam Scanner is also a useful application to use. And from here, you can actually tap on check for Cam Scanner to scan the code. And we'll basically proceed with converting this into a text. So from here, you could actually copy this text and then proceed with making it a link and proceeding with basically putting this on your Facebook profile. But once you have a link already done, all we need to do is to launch the Facebook application, tap on our menus, tap on our names, and then tap on this 3 dots option to edit our profile. Let's scroll all the way down until we see these links. Let's tap on edit. And let's tap on add social link. Of course, choose the platform. In this case, we are going to choose WhatsApp, but if WhatsApp is not available, we could also choose, well, any other application. But in this case, WhatsApp is available. All we need to do is to enter our username from here or a link to our WhatsApp. Either way, it is still going to work. So from here, I could also use my username, which is, let's say, this is just a sample username. And we could also tap on save once you're done to save those changes. And essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.